We thought that this was just another small town near Beppu, but the moment we stepped in, it felt like we walked into a Studio Ghibli movie.
Apparently, this is where Japanese couples come when they want romance, quiet streets, and some of the best desserts in Japan.
Like a fairy tale right now.
But a journey to get here, it was a total mess.
And what happened at the end of the day, we were definitely not prepared for.
Trisha and Nikhil in Japan's real life Ghibli town.
We're staying in Beppu and we are supposed to be packing today. Tomorrow is a massive travel day.
But almost everyone told us the same thing. If you're here, you cannot leave Kyushu without seeing Yufuin.
So we wake up early, somehow still get late and skip breakfast, which was a terrible mistake. We did not even have breakfast because we were getting so late.
It's too hot today.
It's very hot.
We got this bus pass for 1800 per person, and hopefully that is going to save us some money.
The road to Yufuin winds deep into the mountains, and by the time we got off that bus,
I was dizzy, freezing from the AC, and starving. Not exactly the romantic entrance that I imagined. Nothing feels good without food.
let's get some food into it.
Yes, food.
Just 2 minutes after the station, we have arrived at the entrance of the floral village. You see that dog-shaped structure?
Rickshaw door.
You wanna get a rickshaw too?
Every single building looks tiny, perfect, and completely unreal.
That's so cute.
And suddenly, I forgot that I was hungry.
There's so many people over here, so I guess we're at the right spot.
Actually, no. I was still hungry.
You wanna try it?
We were too hungry to overthink this, but we have this one rule. If there's a line, it's probably good.
One?
Okay, well, matcha pudding, okay?
Yes, and
One chocolate cheesecake.
yeah.
Thank you. Matcha pudding and chocolate cheesecake. Eat right now.
Yeah, eat
right
it.
now.
Thank you.
7.
740. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's all this. Hi, お願いします。Okay, well, matcha pudding and chocolate cheesecake. Thank you so much.
ありがとうござい
あり
ます。
がとうございます。バイバイ。
No, such a cute place.
Quick, cute, efficient.
I like that.
I like that too. Just 1 second. Pause, please.
After settling up a little bit, this is what we have gotten. This is matcha
Pudding.
and this is chocolate cheesecake. I want to start with matcha because it's the first time we're having matcha here.
Oh wow. But nice and easy.
Right? Yeah.
Excited?
I'm very excited.
There are
First
multiple
time.
layers.
I'm gonna try to dig in the layers, and that was quite easy to do, honestly.
Nice.
So good. I was thinking that the quantity is not too much for the price, but it's so good. It is so good.
Yeah. I love it.
I love it.
Cheesecake.
Dove right in.
Which one do you like more?
I love chocolate. Nothing beats chocolate.
Can I have? Thank you.
Immense.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the pudding, but
I'm not glad about the fact that this is the first thing that we're having, but it's okay. It's amazing.
goodness.
Alright, let's
Such
finish
a
this up.
beautiful place.
Yeah.
The vibe is awesome. The vibe is vibing.
Yeah.
I was so annoyed 10 minutes ago. Now I'm super happy. This is how food controls my personality.
We're done with that. Now, yeah, let's see what else is
I
here.
can't stop smiling. That was so tasty.
This place has some really good food, but Yufuin isn't just about food. It's about slowing down.
The wooden houses, the tiny bakeries, the anime stores, it just quietly and beautifully exists.
You start noticing couples everywhere. Nobody's rushing. It's not about ticking off 100 tourist spots. It's just about feeling present.
Like a fairy tale right now. Such a cute, whimsical vibe this place has. It's just so amazing. I love it.
In a place this beautiful, it is easy to drop your guard and assume everything is artisan and perfect. Which brings us to the orange juice.
It was in this adorable teddy shaped bottle. We paid, I took a sip, and my heart broke.
It's super cute, but
Not the best.
disappointing.
Yeah, it's packed, not
Yeah.
fresh.
It's not fresh, so very disappointing. This, on the other hand, is amazing.
We're keeping it 100% real with you guys. Not everything in a fairy tale is perfect. Skip the gimmicky drinks and save your yen for the bakeries. We got a souvenir.
I got a little disappointed. Now I'm like, that's okay. It's quite cute.
It is. UFON wasn't going to let us down that easily. There was one thing I refused to leave this place without trying properly.
Genuine Japanese soft cake. But you have to know what to look for.
You see that stamp?
Yeah.
That's like a key thing to show like this is a genuine thing made by them. 594. We can just try this, right?
I was still traumatized by orange juice, so I was a little skeptical until...
Right?
It's
The real thing is different.
awesome.
This is the real stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I've never had cake this nice ever. Wow. There's something else. I was beginning to think that this is a little expensive. A little. Because, you know, we've been doing a lot of things. And maybe I'm converting it wrong and that's why I'm thinking it's too expensive. But now that I had it, I think it's 100, 100, 200% worth it. It's so good. Wow. You should have waited for 1 second to review it. You couldn't wait.
That is the right amount of soft. It is soft. It melts in your mouth.
Now that we have successfully ticked off the main item from Nikhil's list, we actually took some time to walk, and guys, this place looks like we are in a Harry Potter movie.
Which makes sense because they modeled it after the town where Harry Potter was filmed. There's an owl forest, a petting zoo, and anime shops everywhere. Yes, it's built for tourists, but you cannot deny the vibe.
I really don't know what is cuter, the village inside or this entire alley, this entire market outside.
Growing up in India, we watched so much dubbed anime. Being here brought all of that back to life.
Like, go and call Nobita out of there.
I'm telling you, it does feel like that he's gonna come out of here with this helicopter.
Doraemon!
You're saying it with an Indian accent also.
Yeah, I saw that in Hindi only, right?
Yeah.
In India.
Me too.
Walking through these lanes feels unreal. Every shop, every corner is packed with characters.
Such a cute house. It looks like a house from Seven Dwarfs.
Snow White?
White and the Seven Dwarfs. I'm in a fairy tale right now. Music. This is awesome.
So Slytherin house for you, Trisha? They have pins also.
Oh wow. Gryffindor.
These are super expensive, otherwise, oh.
Nikhil, this is something that will be super expensive everywhere.
Yeah?
Look at this one. The sorting
I
hat.
really like these. Ravenclaw.
My friend Shreya is gonna see this and she's gonna be like, why didn't you get anything for me?
What should we get her?
She wants
Slytherin house?
everything Harry Potter. If she was here, she would have gotten this entire thing.
Ravenclaw for Daman, Slytherin for Shreya.
Slytherin for you.
Hufflepuff.
Gryffindor for Shreya and me.
Hufflepuff for Trisha.
You just said Slytherin for me. What kind of sorting hat are you?
can change its decision. Next up, we're in line for gold medal awarded croquette, which are only for 200 yen each. So yeah, and they cannot be better placed because they're just outside of the floral village. And look at the view they have. There's like so many people over there. There's a big line. A lot of them just got and having right here.
It's so simple. They just said it's a gold
Medal awarded.
medal award. Like nothing specific. No Michelin. No TripAdvisor, travel advice.
It's just the
that.
best.
It's just the gold medal one.
Yeah, we got two. One is potato and one is curry.
Yeah.
And I got this thing again.
What is it called? I forgot.
Hatakosan. Hatakosan.
I want to open it. Last time you did.
Okay. This time you can just push it the proper way. I think it's sunny.
Don't rain, please. Rain, go away.
It said it's only 10% chance of rain. Oops. Your pushy device went flying.
I want it.
You can do it. I think you're gonna have to. Leave it.
Fail. Nikki. That was a major fail. Oh, did that go inside too? No.
The other thing. It's made in a specific way. So we got it. The bar must be in the key. Which one do you want?
Your way. This one? You try this one, I will try. We don't even have that much storage in our camera. It's so good.
This is better.
How do you know?
I know.
Oh, hot.
It is curry.
Hot.
This is so good.
It's so good. You take potato curry. This is too hot for me.
Oops, it's breaking apart in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna figure this out. This is delicious. It was worth every penny.
It's so good.
And because Trisha's stomach literally has a separate compartment for dessert, we had to wash the savory down with something sweet.
You cannot walk through a real life fairy tale without ice cream in your hand. Those are the rules.
It certainly reminds you of that emoji.
I'm not talking
From
about that.
shirt from this side. Yes.
Nikki! So good. So good. When they
Definitely.
say this, they mean it.
Delicious milk is the key. I love it. We can go? Yeah.
Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
To end the day, we walked away from the shops to Kinrin Lake. No crowds, just the sound of trees, breeze, and water.
Wow, this is epic.
There's a big fish over there. This thing, you can see on the line, that's a big fish.
Wow.
Beautiful.
The way the bird is flying, everything is making such a beautiful picture. Wow.
It was the most peaceful moment of the entire trip. Right up until we realized we were about to miss our bus.
Go ahead. No, straight. Just be slow, watch it and go.
What section?
Isn't it that one?
Yeah, this is Kaminoi one.
I'm so glad that we came here on time. Because we entered and we were like, alright, is this a station? Yes, the bus is here.
We also were able to get a stand, so that's great.
Yeah, if you would have been like even a minute late, there are two good things would have happened. Either we would have missed the bus or we would not have received a seat.
We got to go back and sleep and just pack, sleep.
Prepare.
Yeah.
There's a lot to happen.
So there's a lot to do. Anyway, this was it for today. This was a short trip to a place nearby. And it was beautiful. Everyone was just so feeling it. Like I kept saying this thing since morning since I have reached. It was really amazing day. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to watch all the videos from our Japan series, China series, South Korea series, and all the countries that we've been to before this. So really hope you enjoyed it.
You'll really like it.
I'm sure you will.
Today is a bad day for me losing a bet. I lost a bet today with Trisha. And the thing that I lost and she gets is that I have to take as many photos at every spot she asks.
And every spot, at least 5 photos, 1 video.
That's not the best day to lose a bet and come.
This looks like a fairy tale village. Like
Birds, right? Everywhere.
Like
Tiny birds.
Tiny sparrows everywhere, like from the Cinderella scene.
You don't see those so often in cities.
Yeah, sparrows. They're called sparrows. Sparrows are awesome.
You're just too happy right now. I get it.